So in lesson 1.4, we're pulling together all the ideas that we've talked about for the past 3 lessons. We're going to use scientific notation to write these large numbers. So I can get 3.17 times 10 to the, 6, 7, 8, so 8th power for the United States population. Then for the Earth's population, it tells us 7.2, so we have to remember how many place values are after the billions place, which is 9. And use your place value chart. If you need to, go ahead and print it and keep it next to you. Remember, ratio is just like a fraction, so we can compare the two populations using a fraction. We would use the US population and then divide it by the world's population. So I would take 3.17 times 10 to the 8th, divide it by 7.2 times 10 to the 9th. I'm going to look at the tens, so the powers of tens, well, those pretty much cancel out except have 1 10 on the bottom. Right, because of the 9. So then I can multiply that out, 3.17 divided by 72. And then you're going to look at percentages. How could you rewrite that? Remember, for percent, you can just take the top divided by the bottom and then multiply by 100 because percent is 100. So let's do that for this China one. And you'll be able to see all of these notes. Sorry, I'm trying to find which one's next. You can see all these notes in the class notebook with more details. So I did go back and add more details in the class notebook. Here we're looking at some charts. So I didn't print out the charts, but you have the charts in your homework, and it's asking you to rewrite them in standard and scientific notation. If you're going to find the footprint, you would take the total water footprint and then divide it by the population after you get all of that. And there's details. So for here, water footprint per person, that would be the total divided by the population. And sometimes it says per person or per capita. Again, more detailed notes are in the class notebook.